There's no better feeling than curling up in bed with soft, warm, and freshly cleaned linens. In fact, dermatologists and skincare experts recommend washing your sheets every week. But how often do we actually have time to wash our sheets? Studies have shown that within a couple of weeks, our bed sheets have more bacteria on them than the average cat's litter box. Even worse, studies have shown that your sheets accumulate the worst kinds of bacteria that are found in toilets and public restrooms. The longer you go without washing them, the more likely you'll have an outbreak of acne and eczema. Not only that, the bacteria may cause runny noses, coughing during your sleep, or allergic reactions, leading to lower quality sleep. But what if you could just sleep in clean sheets every time you go to bed? With copper linens, you can. Infused with real antimicrobial copper and made with 600 thread count Egyptian cotton, copper linens give you that amazing fresh out of the laundry feeling each night and every morning. With copper woven into every thread, our sheets will eliminate 99.9% of harmful microbial life, ensuring your sheets are as clean as your freshly washed face every single night. So how does it work? The moment copper comes in contact with bacteria, positive ions enter the bacterial membrane, causing it to rupture completely. This both inhibits the bacteria from reproducing and destroys the bacteria cell. As a result, unlike sprays or washes, copper linens are guaranteed to be self-cleaning and help prevent breakouts, stuffy noses, or sleeping problems. This also means that all odor-causing bacteria, mold, and mildew will be eliminated too. Not only will you have clean sheets, but you will also have them smelling fresh at all times without the use of any harsh chemicals or sprays. This also means that not only are our sheets hypoallergenic, it's the only bed sheet that actively helps fight and reduce allergens and skin irritants from your blankets, pillow, and everything else it touches. On top of this, copper also has rejuvenating effects on the skin. Several studies have shown that copper improves skin firmness, elasticity, and plumpness. Its anti-aging and anti-acne properties help keep your skin young and clear as you sleep. Surprised? Not for those in the industry. Copper has been widely used by athletes, research labs, doctors, and hospitals to prevent bacterial growth in clothing, hospital linens, doorknobs, and bandages. Along with being infused with 100% pure copper alloy, copper linens is also made with 600 thread count real Egyptian cotton, the softest cotton on earth. Woven with 3 times the thread count of other sheets, sink into a soft and luxurious sleep every night. We use the percale weave technique that employs an interlocking thread structure to create a smooth and silky feel with almost no resistance to the skin. Normal bed sheets lack elasticity and are restrictive to your movements in your mattress. Our signature weave allows for optimal airflow and breathability, keeping you at the perfect temperature while you sleep. That's right, no more night sweats. This also means you don't have to worry about seasonal sheet switching. Copper linens will keep you cozy when it's cold and keep you from overheating when it's warm. Our design goes beyond comfort. Our proprietary fabric choice and weave technology makes our sheets pilling resilient, quick drying, and color fade resistant. Copper linens leads the way in sustainable bedding. We produce sustainably using 100% natural cotton fibers, no plastics or synthetics. We source from small farms and collaborate with reputable suppliers with fair wages and good working conditions. Throughout the manufacturing process, we incorporate newer textile technologies that reduce fabric waste and uses significantly less water and fossil fuels. Because copper linens are antimicrobial, you can wash them much less often, helping you save water and electricity. Cleaner, softer, fresher, and cooler. Feel the difference of copper linens every time you wake up feeling refreshed and rejuvenated.